Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome sync post error on PC and MacBook. So let's get started without wasting any time. So if you're seeing Google account post error in Google Chrome, it usually means that Chrome sync has been paused and your account needs to be re-authenticated. So first open the Chrome browser on your Mac or PC and then go to the right side of your screen. Here you will see a button of 3 dots, click on it. After clicking, swipe down right here and last you will see a button of settings, click on it. Now click on Privacy and Security in the left hand sidebar. Then select Site Settings at the bottom. After clicking on Site Settings, some more options will appear on your screen. Among them, click on Additional Content Settings. Now some more options will appear on your screen. Scroll down again and click on On-Device Site Data. Here, first you have to select Allow the site to save data on your device under the default behavior option. And then click on Add button next to Allow to save data on your device. After clicking Add, now type this address here, accounts.google.com. Type it exactly like that and click Done. Now close the Chrome browser, wait for a while, then open it again and try logging into your account again and see if the problem is resolved or not.